Heart attacks are the leading cause of death worldwide. Most of the time, they're triggered by things like a poor diet, being overweight, having diabetes, high blood pressure, or sometimes even genetic factors. But what's more important than knowing the causes is knowing what to do if it ever happens to you, especially when you're all alone. A heart attack happens when plaque, a mix of cholesterol, fat, and other substances, builds up inside the arteries that supply your heart. This buildup can block the flow of blood and oxygen, causing parts of your heart muscle to start dying. Time is everything in this situation, and recognizing the warning signs early can make the difference between life and death. The most common symptom is chest discomfort. It may feel like pressure, tightness, heaviness, or even a burning sensation. Some people say it feels like an elephant is sitting on their chest. The pain might also spread to your arms, back, neck, jaw, or shoulders. Other symptoms include shortness of breath, cold sweats, nausea, dizziness, or lightheadedness. Some people feel extremely tired for no clear reason or experience a racing or irregular heartbeat. If you already have conditions like heart disease, diabetes, obesity, or high blood pressure, your chances of having a heart attack are higher. So, being prepared matters. If you suddenly feel these symptoms, the very first thing you must do is call emergency services. Don't try to drive yourself. Don't wait to see if it gets better. Don't call a friend first. Dial your local emergency number and stay on the line. The dispatcher will guide you on what to do next, and keeping that line open could save your life. One of the most helpful things in the early moments of a heart attack is chewing and swallowing an aspirin. Either one full strength, 325 milligrams, or 2 baby aspirins, 81 milligrams each. Chewing it helps the medicine work faster. It thins your blood and may help break up the clot that's blocking your artery. While waiting for help, try to stay as calm as possible. Take slow, deep breaths. Stress makes the situation worse. Lie back in a comfortable position. If you can, raise your knees by placing your feet on a chair or couch. This helps your diaphragm expand more easily, so you can breathe better. Avoid eating or drinking anything. It might interfere with treatment once emergency responders arrive. So, remember the steps. Recognize the symptoms, call for help immediately, chew an aspirin if advised, stay calm, don't drive yourself, and wait for professional medical help to arrive. Being prepared and acting quickly can save your life. These are the moments where every second counts. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We share important health information that could help you or someone you love in a time of need. Stay informed, stay safe, and take care of your heart.